Hello everyone, this is Manish Yadav and I welcome all my students of class 10th heartily in this video, giving the congratulations and lots of wishes to have a great success in your periodic assessment first. That is going to be commenced from 26th of July, Monday onwards. In this video, we would be going through the explanation of question paper English. Let you know about the question paper, how many sections would be there. So far as you know, your question paper is divided into 4 parts: reading section, literature, grammar and writing section. This video is about to be very important and essential for all the students of class 10th. Firstly, they have to go through this video. Thereafter, they would be easily perform and appear during exam hours. In this video, let you know the important instructions and all the possible modification, if any, would be there. As I have told you, this question has been divided into 4 parts: reading section, literature, grammar and writing section. What happens in the first section, that is reading? 2 passages would be there. Okay, you will be given 2 passages. You have to go through the passage very carefully, understanding the text and its meaning, some hard vocab, hard words, because some questions, multiple choice questions, should be there based on vocab, synonyms, antonyms. Now this is the first passage, and on the basis of your reading, answer any 10 of the following questions. Okay, first of all, you will go through the passage, or you will go through first question. Thereafter, understand the first question, what is being asked in the first question. Thereafter, try to find out the solution going through the first paragraph of your passage. Definitely you will get the first answer in the first 2 lines or 3 lines. Thereafter, go through the next question and try to find its a solution or answer going through the 4th or 5th line of the passage. I mean, continuing the same, you can easily solve your first passage of reading section. Okay, remember, do not write question or all the options in your answer sheet to save your time. Now, same thing would be there in the second passage of your reading section. These are the questions of reading section. You will go through each question very carefully and try to choose the option whatever you desire and like. This is the second passage. Okay, 4 paragraphs, 5, 6 paragraphs have been given in the second passage. A graph is also given below the paragraph. On the basis of reading and understanding the paragraph, answer any 10 questions of the following. What does the given passage highlights? Increasing number of mall in India, growth of online retail in India, impact of online retail on malls, the strategies that malls must utilize to increase footfalls. Okay, whatever you like and desire, you can choose as your answer. Now we will go through question number 3. Read extra given below carefully and answer the questions that follow. Okay, read the extract. It would be extract. CT is missing. Given below, I mean, you have to go through this extract and very careful. Thereafter, answer the question. I landed and was not sorry to walk and answer from the old Dakota near control tower. This extract has been taken from, I think, second chapter. Okay, first flight. And on the basis of this reading paragraph, you will answer these questions. The pilot asked the woman in the control tower about his friend, whether other plane and its pilot breakfast. Whatever you desire and like, choose your answer in the answer sheet and get your marks. Now, fourth question. Read the extracts given below and answer the following question. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had wrote. This chapter, you know well, this poem has been composed by Robert Frost. Okay, and what happens in this stanza I have already explained in my previous videos. Of what change does the poet mention here? What type of changing the poet talking about? Whatever you like, choose your answer. A, B, C, D. Suppose that change of weather, then D would be correct answer. Mention within bracket D and change of weather. Okay. Now the next section is grammar. This is very critical task for the students. They have to go through this section very sharply and mindedly, otherwise they would commit mistakes. Fill in the blanks given with the help of options that follow. This is subject agreement with its verb concord. I recently told you and taught you about subject agreement with its verb, how to choose verbs according to the number of its subject. Now question number 6. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks to complete the narration. This is some questions based on narration. You have to complete the narration and the formation of direct and indirect narration. This is an essential part of grammar. Jackie in his children comics for environment, comic strip. Okay, first ABCD, second ABCD, third ABCD. You have to choose option. Okay, only one option to fill in these blanks. Now seventh question, that is fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option for any 4 of the 6 sentences given below. Water has a moderating effect on temperature. Summer, midday hot, and winter and midnight cold. Diminished, having diminished, being diminished, and diminishing. Okay, so whatever you like as correct, you may choose. Same thing would be there in each question. You have to go through very attentive phase of your mind to choose your answers. Some articles and determiners have also been given, just like all, each, any, all, every, several, each, every. Very good. Now this is the last section of your question paper, writing section, part B. For the past 7 days you were late work due to some unavoidable issues at home. Write a letter to your manager explaining the situation, why you were late for the work several days. Okay, this is letter writing. You have to write a letter to your manager. This is a formal letter. So what is the format of formal letter? You will go through the exact format and contents, thereafter complimentary notes at last, and you will not exceed the limit of letter writing, maximum 100 to 120 words. Okay, you know the format: sender's address, date, receiver's address, thereafter subject, salutation, contents, in which you will describe 3 paragraphs, thereafter completely notes. Complementary notes. Now you are living in a room in college which you can share with another student, okay, room partner I mean. However, there are many problems with this arrangement and you find it very difficult to work. Write a letter to the accommodation officer at the college explaining the situation and requesting an earliest redressal. Okay, this is also a letter writing. So going through the exact format and the content regarding the question is compulsory. Okay, so try to understand the question, thereafter go through the letter writing. Now question number 9. The bar chart shows that scores of team A, B and C. Cover your different season. Write an analytical paragraph on the given data in about 120 words. This is paragraph writing. Okay, and for going through paragraph writing you must know the sentences and the formation of tense. Okay, if you know the tense and formation of sentences you can easily write a paragraph. Okay, some basic introduction or introductory paragraph have been given. The table illustrates the proportion of monthly household income 5 European countries spend on food and drink, housing, clothing and entertainment. Using the given data, write an analytical paragraph in 120 words. Okay, proportion of household income has been given, a chart has been given as you can see on the screen, and it would be there in your question paper. On the basis of this data you will be going through paragraph writing. Okay, remember, do not commit errors while going through grammatical mistakes. Answer any 4 of the following questions. These questions based on your literature, and I hope every children have prepared all the questions regarding their literature and supplementary. I hope you have got all the doubts and questions. Once again, I wish you all the best of luck, gain good marks in this exam.